This is John Lewis's latest smart mop innovation. It's absolutely brilliant. I had no idea it would be this good. Our 2,000 square foot house was spotless in under 30 minutes. You can vacuum and mop at the same time. Just one clean sweep. No more switching between tools. Say goodbye to your tedious household chores. While most British homes are still using traditional mops, which are not only a hassle but require hand washing, smart folks are already using this cordless intelligent mop. Equipped with a 253.7 nanometer UV light and a Serbian motor running up to 8,000 RPM. It not only quickly removes dust and dirt from under beds, sofas, or corners, but also instantly kills all bacteria and dust mites in the room. It works on both floors and carpets. A practical design for homes with elderly and children. If you're always bothered by debris on the floor, try this vacuum cleaner. Its 270-degree rotatable, soft brush head can sweep all dead corners, so you don't need to bend over to clean. Buy through this video and enjoy a 50% discount. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 14 days anytime. Don't miss out.